What if I told you the secret to your next favorite beverage is hiding in your garden right now? These aren't just pretty garnishes. Edible flowers have surprising flavor profiles and have been used in beverages for centuries. Today, we're not just making drinks. We're transforming humble blooms into extraordinary elixirs that will delight your senses and surprise your taste buds. But first, safety is absolutely crucial. Always ensure positive identification of your flowers. Avoid roadside flowers or anything treated with chemicals. Source from trusted organic gardens only. Pansies offer a mild, lettuce-like flavor, great for garnishing. Nasturtiums bring a peppery kick, perfect for salads. Rose petals lend a sweet, fragrant note, ideal for infusing into syrups or teas. Peonies are surprisingly edible, with delicate petals that can garnish drinks. Even the wild dandelion offers an earthy, honey-like flavor when young. Calendula adds subtle spice, and lavender provides powerful floral aromatics. Harvest in the morning after dew has dried. Handle gently to preserve their delicate structure. Now let's bring these beauties inside for preparation. The key to perfect floral elixirs is understanding infusion methods. Each technique unlocks a unique aspect of the flower's essence. Simple syrups are fantastic for extracting vibrant sweetness and rich color. Alcohol draws out more complex, nuanced flavor compounds and aromas, while water infusions offer the purest expression, capturing delicate, fleeting flavors. Consider the classic rose, offering its timeless romantic perfume. Peonies contribute a softer, more subtle floral note, perfect for elegant drinks. Even the cheerful dandelion provides a surprisingly sunny, honey-like sweetness. Let's create a delicate rose and lavender cordial. Just a touch of lavender for aromatics. This spicy nasturtium water adds unexpected heat, and our golden calendula syrup brings earthy sweetness. Timing is everything. Over-infusion creates bitterness. Always taste as you go for perfect balance. Now that we have our vibrant infusions, let's turn them into show-stopping drinks. Time to build our signature floral elixir, a true taste of the garden. We'll use 2 ounces of our fragrant rose-lavender cordial and fresh lemon juice for a perfect touch of brightness. Shake with intention, strain into your glass for silky smoothness. Crown with a fresh pansy for visual drama. The possibilities are endless when you combine different floral elixirs. Think of the romantic flavor of roses, perfect for delicate drinks, or the lush sweet notes of peonies, which create a stunning, simple syrup. Even resilient dandelions offer a surprisingly honey-like flavor, great for teas. You can mix calendula with citrus or peppery nasturtium with herbs. But the journey doesn't end there, because these elixirs are just the beginning of your floral culinary adventure. Grow your own flowers or support local organic growers. I challenge you to create your own floral elixir and share it in the comments below. Thank you for joining me on this blooming adventure. Until next time, keep experimenting.